What's up, Royals? Welcome back to Tonetra's Garden. I'm Tonetra and you are in my garden. Today I have a few garden tasks that I need to tackle. One, I'm going to take this spearmint and peppermint out of this herb container. You guys got on me and said take it out, so I'm gonna take it out now. It is doing good, but we're gonna take that out and put it in its own container. I have a few other things that I want to do. Find a home for this mammoth sunflower. I have two of them. I don't have much space in my backyard, so we'll have to find a place for that. And what else did I want to do? And maybe tackle some more herbs. So today is like an herb day slash flower day. Let's get right into it. So this is an update on the herb container. It is looking wonderful. It's thriving. Everything is starting to fill out. The spearmint and the peppermint have not taken over the container just yet. So I think I'm still in the green to go ahead and pull these out and put them into their own containers. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me show you the container. I have this black, what is this, planter box. And I think this is plenty deep and long enough so that, you know, they'll have a good amount of space. I don't need that much mint. So I think this one will be perfect for my mint and spearmint. So I'm not going to continue to be hard-headed. I'm going to listen to you guys when you tell me, because you know Tonetra is going to do her own thing. I did have to learn for myself, and what I did learn was the mint and spearmint, anywhere that their vines are laying on the soil, they will grow roots, and that's how they start to take over the garden. They grow roots all along their stems if it's touching the soil. So it did already start to do that, and that's why I was like, okay, this was a learning lesson for me. I had to see it for myself, and I learned it quickly, and we're gonna resolve it. But let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if you look in here closely, let me show you. I already pulled up one of the vines and it started to grow roots because it was touching the soil. So anywhere that it touches the soil, it's gonna start to take root. And that's why it's such an aggressive herb and people don't like to put it in with other herbs. When I planted this planter box, I used mushroom compost, and the mushroom compost has a lot of organic matter in it. And when I was looking at this container, I saw some mold in here, but that's completely normal. It's completely fine. It was in a shaded area and it's been pretty wet because it's April. It's starting to rain a lot. So I did put it in the sun so that, you know, some of that mold could kind of die down, but that's completely fine. Do not be alarmed by that. All the plants are looking wonderful. We're gonna pop these two out, and I'm probably gonna replace this with green onion, I guess. Is it green onion? I think it is. So I'm gonna replace that with some green onions, and we'll figure out something for here. Maybe some rosemary. Okay, so spearmint and mint is in its new home, nicely watered in. I think they're really gonna enjoy this container. I did leave space in the middle so that they could, you know, kind of sprawl and grow. So that's what we've got. And in this bed, this is what we're looking like. So we've got 2 large areas to fill with something new. The next thing that I need to tackle are these mammoth sunflowers. I have already planted one into the ground. I'll show you where I put that one. And then I have this other one that's really wanting to be planted. Let me show you what I mean by that. Look at this. Look at this sunflower in this container. It's huge. Its stem is just ridiculous. It's like a really good, ooh, oh, look what I just did. Okay, so yeah, I want to plant, I'm gonna plant 2 of these. So I have this one here that I want to get out. Ma'am, I don't know who you are. Out. And then I popped one right over here in this spot. And she looks to be doing pretty good to me. I've had sunflowers in this area before and they've done well. So she'll be right here. And I think that'll be a good spot for her. Now, we just need to find one more spot. I was thinking it could be right back here in this corner. But I don't know if it's gonna get super huge to where I won't be able to get to my tomato plant. So I don't know if that's the brightest idea. The other idea would be to put it here. I could move this and put it here, but that would be blocking my bed. So I don't know. Good morning, Royals. It is a couple days later. I didn't get to finish that video because I went to Walmart to grab a few herbs, and my Walmart, their garden center is trash. They don't even have people taking care of the plants. I'm like, do I need to come up here and work for y'all? Like, can y'all take care of these plants? Can we get a plant order in? Can we put a plant order in? So yeah, I had to come over here to Home Depot, you know, where they do the most, so I can get me a couple herbs for these 2 little sections. So we're gonna go in here real quick and grab a few herbs. We gonna see what they got. And yeah. They still have plenty of stuff, as you can see. Oh, they put a new section over here. I didn't see these. Okay, we're not gonna get distracted. Okay, so we have herbs over here. What do y'all think I should put in that spot? I already have sage, I have parsley. Let's see. Oh, I think this is the side. Okay, so basil, cilantro, catnip, peppermint, Italian oregano, rosemary. I don't think I have any rosemary. Do I have rosemary? I don't think so. Let's see what these are like. $5.78. They are insane. These prices, y'all, they got me looking like I might not have no herbs. Rosemary. No, I don't have rosemary. Let's see. Okay. I don't think I have oregano either. So I think I'm gonna do Italian oregano and rosemary. Let's see. This plant looks decent. What y'all think? I think I'll do that one. And $5.78. These I just can't. I can't. But I am for y'all. I need a pepper plant. I need a couple pepper plants, but I'm not seeing the 6-cell trays that they used to sell. They've gotten smart and now they're just selling them in these single cups. And I don't see the 6-cell, but they might not sell them here. I think where I got those was at Lowe's last year, so I'll have to go back to Lowe's and see if they have them. But I didn't see them, so I don't know. Ooh, look at Burpee coming through. They got some for $3. We finna switch this oregano real quick. Real quick. Look at this one. We'll do this. That's a better price. Switch out that for that. What else Burpee got? What other herbs they got for us? I think I'm gonna do chives. I've heard that this is a very forgiving plant and that it grows well in a lot of different conditions. So what do y'all think? Should I do chives, oregano, and rosemary? Do I need rosemary? Let's see. Hello. So that wraps it up for today's video. I hope that this was helpful. Do not do like me and put spearmint and mint in with the rest of your herbs. Make sure that you plant those in their own separate container. and get more friendly herbs that do well together. If this video was helpful, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.